If you can do just one thing or make one small change in your diet in the year 2026, let it be this one. This one habit, which I call pop to drop, will do wonders for you. POP stands for power of preloading. And if you want an effortless yet efficient way of dropping fat without thinking much or without using a lot of willpower, then power of preloading is for you. Please keep watching because today I'm going to show you how to exactly use the power of preloading to drop your unwanted fat. Hi, I'm Arushi and I have personally lost over 30 kgs and I maintained that weight loss for over 6 years now. I've also helped thousands of my clients and today I'm reaching out to you to help you with your goals. What is preloading? Preloading is a science-backed strategy where you drink or eat a very low-calorie beverage or snack just before your main meal to basically regulate your appetite and decrease the total amount of calories that you end up eating in that meal. When you start a meal, when you're extremely hungry, your brain is in panic mode. You eat much faster, you eat probably large portions, and you overshoot the calories. But then what preloading does is that when you eat a snack or drink a beverage, which is lower in energy density, but higher in fiber and water, it goes in your stomach and it triggers and activates the stretch receptors of your stomach. The stomach sends signals to your brain and these are fullness signals. The hunger hormones calm down and you are already partially full before you're even starting the main meal. Science shows that you can end up eating 12 to 20% fewer calories without restricting, without counting calories, and without even dieting if you follow this strategy. How to preload? Here are my 4 basic preloading tools or foods. First one is water. Water? Come again, Arushi? Did you just say water? Yes, it's as simple as that. Water is one of the most efficient yet underrated fat loss tools. Science shows that drinking up to 2 cups of water immediately prior to a main meal can actually reduce the amount of calories you take in that meal by 140 calories. How? Water basically increases your perception of fullness and decreases your perception of hunger. And ultimately, you can end up consuming maybe 22% lower calories than you would have. My second favorite too is raw veggies or salad. Think cucumber, carrots, a raw onion, some baby carrots, some lettuce leaves. My favorite, cucumber salad. Try my lettuce chart. Take a handful of your favorite salad leaves. I've taken lettuce, add lemon juice, a sprinkle of salt and your favorite spices. I've added black pepper and chili powder or some chaat masala. This makes the salad palatable and enjoyable because of those familiar chaat flavors. Lemon juice further actually triggers the salivary enzymes and also improves your digestion by triggering the stomach acid production and the bile production. So now your food will actually get broken down much more easily. The nutrients will get absorbed much more easily. And if you suffer from bloating, this hack might also help you with that. Third tool, fruit. Think hydrating, juicy, water-rich fruits like berries, apples, oranges, melons. Pick this one especially if you suffer from sweet cravings. The micronutrient and the polyphenol-rich fruits not only fill you up a little, but the antioxidants in these fruits also counteract the bad elements that might come up in the meal that follows these fruits. For example, the oxidized proteins or extreme amounts of saturated fats or the processed overcooked elements of the food. The fourth tool is soups. This one is especially good for winters when you crave that warm bowl of soup in the evenings. Now soups, because they are higher in water content, actually give you a huge amount of volume in a very less amount of calories. Thick vegetable and protein rich soups like pureed soups also stay in your stomach for longer, thus keeping you full. What's even better is that soups are a sure shot way to sneak in huge amounts of anti-inflammatory veggies in your diet. Moreover, soups actually slow you down, encourage mindful eating, and take longer to finish and digest, which actually gives your brain much more time to register the satiety signals. I am currently running a whole series on my channel called Soups for Weight Loss. These are low calorie, nutrient and protein rich soups which will definitely help you to use pop to drop. To summarize, pick one tool, pick any tool or mix them up. Do whatever comes to you naturally. For example, you can start with water and fruit before breakfast, salad before lunch and soups before dinner. Use the power of preloading in 2026 and watch those pounds melt off your body and the light and glow come back to your face. If you like more such effortless yet effective tips and tricks, then check out this other video of mine where I talk talk about food swaps to help you lose your weight. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for not only tips and tricks but also healthy, delicious recipes. Thank you.